everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Legenia and welcome back to Vlogtober. This is day number 2, and as always I am so glad that you guys are here. As you see, we have a very rainy morning here in the great state of Arkansas, and I'm about to get out and get in this mess. A couple of things that I want to do, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I want to go by Best Buy. I need a new phone mount for my phone so that I can also vlog while I'm in my car. I got this one like not too long ago and it broke already. Not good. So I'm gonna go get another one, and I'm gonna go pick up a couple things for dinner today. I'm thinking I'm going to make a tortellini soup and 3-cheese tortellini soup, and for myself I think I'm gonna make a chicken parmesan and pork rind crusted Caesar salad for myself. So I'm pretty excited about that because I'm gonna be making an anchovy a Caesar dressing. I'm gonna be making a Caesar dressing today, and I can't wait to show that recipe to you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. It is Saturday. I am by myself today. My family, they're having a little father-daughter time today, so it's just me by myself again on another Saturday. I don't mind. I enjoy the time to myself. So yeah, it's myself and you guys. Let's get out into this mess and hurry up and get back to the house. All right, everybody, I just got my new car mount. I'm hoping that this one will last a lot longer than the last one did, because the last one I was thinking was like 29 bucks, okay? So I got another one. I'll make sure I keep the box and the receipt to this one so that if anything happens, I can return it and exchange it with no problem. But now I am right over next door to Best Buy at Whole Foods. I'm getting ready to go in here and get me some things that I need for dinner. So let's go on in and get our items for dinner today. Again, I'm making the chicken tortellini soup, and I'm gonna make me probably a Parmesan crusted chicken Caesar salad, something like that. But anyway, let's see. Let's go in and let's get everything we need. Just shredded this Parmesan cheese. That's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and get that. I'm gonna get a pound of the chicken cutlets. Here, looks really good. Yeah, that'll be fine. And that was a really quick trip. So I forgot to tell you guys, before I went into Whole Foods, I did order me some lunch. Wingstop. Yep, got me some Wingstop lunch. And I'm just going to sit back and enjoy. I have my little spot that I like to go to sit and eat my lunch. And usually when I sit to eat my lunch, I'm usually watching one of my favorite shows or whatever I'm watching on Netflix at the time. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. It has gotten hot, guys. The sun has come out. No more gloomy Saturday anymore. I mean, within a matter of a few minutes, the sun has come out. It looks like a totally new and different day. I guess God said, okay, I need it to rain and replenish the earth real quick, and then I'm gonna let the sun come in and do what it has to do. All right, guys, got my fall plants out, and I'm making sure I'm keeping them watered. Now, it did rain today. Not sure if they got enough water. I'm going to put some water on them just in case, because they're in the porch. And I always like to turn them instead of leaving them in the same position all the time, but give all of them an opportunity to get some of this, all the flowers to get an opportunity to get some of this sunlight. Now, here on this side. See how it's kind of, yeah. So hopefully a little sunlight will do that side some good. Turn this one around as well. That one gets some sunlight. All right. They are still beautiful. All right, everybody, change of plans. Angelina and my husband are actually gonna stop and get something to eat for dinner on their way home. So I don't have to cook dinner today, which is a plus for me because I really don't feel like being in the kitchen a long time today. I would like to just come in and rest and relax. So the tortellini soup that I was gonna make, I'm gonna actually save that for tomorrow. I had taken out the ground turkey to make the soup, so I'm just gonna put that right back in the refrigerator and cook it first thing in the morning so that the soup is ready by the time church is over and all of that good stuff. So that's a good thing. I was going to make me a Caesar salad, a Parmesan crusted chicken, Caesar salad with pork rind on it, the Caesar salad on the chicken. But I'm gonna go ahead and make the dressing for that so that I won't have so much to do tomorrow. And so we're gonna go ahead and make the homemade Caesar dressing for that. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this delicious low-carb Caesar dressing. I'm gonna first start out by chopping my cloves of garlic, and then after I'm done with this, we are going to mash it into a garlic paste. Got our garlic. It is mashed into a nice paste and it smells amazing. So next I'm going to go in here with some anchovies. I'm going to use 2 of these little flat anchovies, and we're going to put them right on in here with this garlic. Is what we're going to do. All right, so I'm just going to get 2 of the flat anchovies out of here. Put those in there. And then I'm gonna make sure I store this. I'll show you guys how I store the rest of the anchovies here. Okay, and we're just gonna mash it right on in with the garlic. And guys, if you can find an anchovy paste, that is so much better. Go ahead and get that. I just could not find any at my local grocery store. But if you can find an anchovy paste, I recommend that you get it, use it. It's a lot easier, or even a garlic paste, you know, even use a garlic paste so that you can just skip this method altogether, okay? I am all about easiness, okay? Easy execution is what works for me. But didn't have any, so I'm gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. All right, so we've got our garlic and our anchovies that we've mashed into a paste. So what I'm going to do, get my bowl, and I am just going to combine or put it in the bowl here, and then we're going to put the rest of our ingredients here. And see, it doesn't even take a whole lot. That's a lot of flavor right there. Those 2, that little bit of stuff right there is a lot of flavor, guys. All right, next up, we're going to put about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Got 2 teaspoons of lemon juice going in. Now we're going to add our salt. I've got some pink Himalayan salt here. And that was about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and then we've got some black pepper going in. All right, so in here we've got our garlic paste, our anchovy paste, our lemon juice, salt, pepper, all of that's in here. We're just going to whisk this together. Just gonna combine. It doesn't really look like much of anything, but guys, this right here is packed with flavor. So we've got that mixed together. Now we're gonna go in with our Greek yogurt. And let me show you the yogurt that I'm using that's low carb friendly. I am using the Too Good plain Greek yogurt. This is 2 grams of sugar per 6 ounces of this. Good, good, good. All right, and it does not taste bad at all. It tastes really good. So we're just gonna go ahead and, you know what, I'm gonna continue to use the whisk. Get that off of there. All right, and let's whisk that up. Oh yes, 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 yes. Flavor, guys. Flavor on top of flavor. Now we're adding 2 teaspoons of olive oil. We're gonna whisk that in. All right, and the thing about this is Worcestershire sauce already has anchovies in it. So we're really staying true and original as much as possible to the original version of Caesar dressing. Right? All right, and then we're gonna always add salt, pepper, lemon juice to taste. So after we have done this, I'm gonna give it a taste and see what else it might need. All right, so let's give this a taste and see how it tastes. You guys, it needs absolutely nothing. It is so delicious. Oh my goodness. This made me really happy. Just tasting that made me really, really happy. All right. And there we have it, guys. A delicious low-carb Caesar dressing. It is oh so good. And yeah, you guys have got to give this a try. The recipe will definitely be on my website at sincerelylegenia.com. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to store it in my little mason jar right here. Perfect for something like this. And the great thing about Caesar dressing is, you know, you just add a little bit to your lettuce and toss it about so that it coats the lettuce really well. You don't need a lot of it. So this right here will last a good couple of servings. Okay. So I'm trying to put this in where you guys can see it as well. Just be careful. You don't want to waste it. This is a treasure we've got here. All right, and there we have it. Homemade, low-carb Caesar dressing. Oh, so delicious. Okay, everybody, to store my leftover anchovies, it's really easy. Just make sure you have a jar with an airtight lid. You can actually keep this in the refrigerator up to 2 months after you place it in. So I'm gonna get the leftover anchovies on out of here, and I'm gonna place them in my jar with the oils still. All right, place them on in there with the oil, and just go ahead and seal them up just like that. And you can keep this again in your refrigerator for up to 2 months. So what I might end up doing with this one is just making a larger batch of the Caesar dressing, because I certainly don't want these to go to waste. But yeah, that's how you store your leftover anchovies. All right, everybody, that is it for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and close the vlog right here. As always, thank you for joining me. I will be back tomorrow with Vlogtober day number 3. As always, it is a pleasure. And until the next video, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day. And I'm going to talk to you the next time right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye, guys.